Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English year number 2, page number 18. Topic is vocabulary, homographs. Students, now let us start definition. Homographs are words that have the same spelling but different meanings, and sometimes they have different pronunciation as well. For example, homographs: resign, meaning to quit. Example: I am going to resign from the job. Next homograph is resign, meaning to sign again. Example: can you please resign the papers? Next homograph is wind, meaning to finish. Example: wind up your work. Next homograph is wind, meaning air. Example: the cool wind blows. Next homograph is lead, meaning to head. Example: I am going to lead this team. Next homograph is lead, meaning a type of matter. Example: the lead of my pencil is broken. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टूड दिस लेक्चर. स्टूडेंट्स, काइंडली राइट डाउन दिस वर्क ऑन योर notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.